Welcome to the Hospital Inventory and Asset Management System. This system is designed to help hospitals manage inventory, medical equipment, assets, suppliers, purchases, and stock records in one secure and easy-to-use platform. Let's begin with the login page. The user enters a valid email address and password to log in securely. After a successful login, the dashboard opens. The dashboard provides a complete overview of the system. Here, users can view important statistics, inventory information, asset details, stock summaries, and recent activities. This helps hospital staff quickly understand the current status of the hospital inventory. Now, let's move to the inventory module. This section displays all available inventory items. Users can search for products, check quantities, update stock information, and manage inventory records easily. The system makes it simple to keep inventory accurate and well organized. Next, we open the Asset Management module. This page contains all hospital assets with complete details. Users can view asset names, categories, departments, locations, and current status. This helps hospitals track valuable equipment and maintain proper records. Now, we move to the Purchase Management section. Here, users can create new purchase records, update existing purchases, and monitor all purchase activities. This ensures that every purchase is recorded correctly. Next, we open the Supplier Management module. This section stores supplier information, including company name, contact details, phone number, email address, and supplier status. Managing supplier information becomes simple and organized. Now, we move to the Stock Management section. Users can monitor available stock, update quantities, and check inventory levels whenever new items are received or issued. This helps prevent stock shortages and improves inventory planning. Next, we open the Category Management page. Users can create and manage different categories for medical supplies, equipment, and hospital assets. This keeps all records properly organized and easy to search. Finally, we return to the dashboard. The Hospital Inventory and Asset Management System provides a smart, secure, and efficient solution for managing hospital inventory and assets. It helps reduce manual work, improve accuracy, save time, and ensure that medical supplies and equipment are always available when needed. Thank you for watching this demonstration. Have a great day.